Tonight I'm just cooking for myself. So I got this Parmesan frozen dinner. I'm just going to throw it in here like that. I'm going to add some spinach to it because I have to have my greens, okay? Ah, man. Damn thing went out again. Okay, I'm adding the spinach right here. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then I'm going to, I think that's enough. Ooh, that's too much. So, yes, my hands are clean, okay? So I'm just going to do it like that. So what I'm going to do, because sometimes you can dress these up to where it's like, I hope nothing falls out of here. Please don't do that. Okay. And so I'm just going to add some little garlic pepper to it. Of course, I like it spicy, so I like to have my little red peppers in it. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put some minced onions in it. Whoops. That was like really. And that's all the seasonings I'm going to put in it. So then I'm going to add just a little bit of Hunt's spaghetti sauce to it. Just a tiny bit. Cover it up like this for 30 minutes. See if it's done yet. Yes, my light is back on. I had to charge it up. Looking good. What it looks like so far. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some creamy milk Italian cheese on it. And that's enough right there. And I'm going to stick it back in the oven and let the cheese melt. So let's do that. So remember, the letter writing I'm still doing. Put $431 in my bank account. So I was so excited. I almost fell off my chair. So yeah, so it's doing really, really well for me. So if you're wanting to know what frozen dinner I got the Boston Market chicken parmesan. It's done, so let me show you what it looks like. Got my little mittens on here. So this is what it looks like. That looks really good. So all my big plates are dirty, so I'm just going to put some on here. It's really easy to cut. Oh my gosh, look at that cheese. Ooh, I love that cheese. Get some spaghetti in here. Okay. All right, let's do the taste test. That is really good. This. That's yummy. Tastes like I just made it from scratch. That is really good. This is really good. You should do this. Anytime you're by yourself, dress up a frozen dinner. Anyway, I'm going to go eat. Bye.